Welcome guys, this is Onur Karakaya. I will be your instructor till the end of this course. This is our program Camtasia Studio 9 and this is our interface of the program. You see the running Camtasia Untitled project. So on the top left there are our menu, file, edit, modify, view, share, help. There are two share buttons, which is one here and the second one is right here. We can get render of our video here. We will talk about this later in the next lessons. So in this place we have tools. We have 10 tools: media annotations, transitions, behaviors and more. Voice narration, captions, interactivity, visual effects. We will talk about them later and specifically in other classes. We can add a lot of effects to our project. So this is our timeline, this is our cursor here. You can see the part here. This is our tracks. We can add a lot of tracks here. For example, track 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm adding this into this track 4, for example. Track 5, track 3. I can even create track 6. It's that easy. We can mix it up a lot of tracks, a lot of files. For example, this is a sound file, this is a video file, and sound file are together. And this is on a picture, this is on a logo, visual file. So I'm making them equal. So in here we can design the scale of the project. For example, if I want to see the whole of the project in front of me, I'm coming over to minus section. If I want to make an arrow focus, I'm coming over to plus section in the scale. This is our scale and we can see the whole of the project by coming over to minus. And we can see some specific part by coming over to plus, right? So it's that easy. This is our visual stuff. For example, in the sound level, you can see the waves here. The waves represent the sound level, and this line will help us to manage the level, increase the level and decrease the sound level right here. It's so easy. It's also possible editing, modifying your level by this. In the properties section, for example, gain, I am increasing the gain here, which means I am increasing the sound level. I am decreasing the gain, which also means I am decreasing the sound level. So this is that easy. So this is my logo. So let's play it to see how it looks like. I can change its place. For example, I want it to stand here. We'll talk about all these issues later. And this is our frame. I can manage the size of the frame like this. It's so easy. And the 43% is the recommended frame size by the studio. You can change it into 175%, it's possible. Yeah, it's possible, but I really recommend you to use this fit button, which is 43% for optimal frame size, represented by the Camtasia Studio 9. So we examined the interface of the studio in this lesson. So see you in the next steps.